Excuse me, where is gate 10?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you for your help. How about this for a gift?
It looks very nice.
I will take it.
Are you ready to go?
Yes. What is our gate number?
It is gate 10, this way.
Great, it is not far. Have you been to London before?
No, this is my first time.
I see. It is a great city.
I am really looking forward to it. It's time to board.
Have a nice flight. I cannot wait.
Let's take a photo.
This menu looks very interesting. What are you going to order?
I will have the fish and chips.
That sounds like a good choice.
Are you ready to order?
I will have the fish and chips.
And I would like a steak, please. Perfect, thank you.
Where are we going next?
Let's walk by the river.
That sounds perfect.
We can see Tower Bridge.
How far is it from here?
It is not too far.
Great, I love this city at night.
Yes, it is really beautiful.